Hey, what's up? This is Mike from Law Technology with an SCU quick tip. Today we're going to talk about creating a document in Google Drive using Google Docs and then sharing that document. So what you're going to want to do is go into your Google Drive and click on New. And from here you can go ahead and click on Google Docs to create a document. So we can name the document. So here on Untitled Document, I want to go ahead and click, and I'm going to create a sign-up sheet. And then let me add, please add your name below with a preferred time for office hours. And this is what I want folks to add their name and a time. So now that we have our quote sign up sheet created, we're going to go ahead and click on share on the top right hand corner of the screen. And there's a couple of ways you can do this. If you're not sharing to a lot of folks, you could go ahead and add their names here. And when you add their names, right here, you can select whether they can edit, which if you want them to edit the document, you want to go ahead and select editor. Comment, which would allow them to only comment on the document. So if you're familiar with Microsoft Word and commenting, that's how it would function. Or just viewing, meaning they could only view the document and they can't edit it. So we want to go ahead and leave editor here. You could type a message, saying this is the sign up sheet. Please sign up. And then we have notify people clicked here, so they would be notified. But if you don't want to go through the trouble of adding a whole bunch of names and just share a link out, or maybe you want to post a link somewhere like your Camino page, you could create a link here. So before we copy the link that would relate to this document, we want to click to change link to Santa Clara University. So from here, it can be restricted only to folks that we've added to this, but we want to leave it to Santa Clara University. We want to share it to folks within SCU. On top of that, we also want to make sure that they can edit the link. So those three capabilities of viewing, commenting, and editing that I discussed before, that applies to this link as well. So we want to go ahead and click on edit. So that means when we copy this link, we want to make sure that we click on done before we continue. Since we copied that link, now people who have that link can go ahead and edit the document when they go to that link. So from here, I could create an email, paste that link. From there, add all the recipients that I want to, or I can go to my Camino page and just share it as an announcement. So just go ahead and create an announcement, or however you share these URLs yourself. So depending on the goal of the reason you're creating a Google Doc, it gives you options. So in any case, yeah, it's that easy. So it's really two steps. It's creating the Google Doc in Google Drive and then sharing it, and then just making sure that you pay attention to the options when you're sharing the document, whether you want it to be viewer only, the ability to comment, or the ability to edit. So that's all I have for you, and thanks for watching.